Hello ladies and gents, and welcome to another fabulous week of our English 235 class. We are in week 6. We are almost we're halfway, guys. This is so good. Yay, you're gonna make it! It's exciting! This week we are working on our topic proposal memorandum for our recommendation report at the end of the quarter. So ideally, a lot of the things that we're doing in this class are building toward that recommendation report. And so this proposal is another one of those things that helps us think about our topic, helps us find some research on the topic, helps us kind of flesh out our ideas now so that that little procrastination bug doesn't get us at the end of the quarter. So we are working on that this week. As always, the major assignment is due on Sunday. So we'll take a look at that here real quick. The memo is a very format-heavy document. I was trying to think of the best way to say that. It's very procedural. So when you are asked to write a memo outside of the academic setting or even within it, the main thing a memo does, besides for convey information, is follow a very strict set of formatting guidelines. And so do make sure to download the template for the topic proposal because it will help you with those guidelines. To make sure you're hitting all those marks in terms of format and structure. Memos you would think might be an antiquated, that's the word I want, kind of out of date, kind of document because they evolved during a time where there wasn't internet, there wasn't a lot of access to computers. Typically memos came printed on a special kind of paper and you would write out the memo by hand. And now we have all of these technological advances, we've got the internet, we've got so many different things, but the memo, hardy little thing that it is, has managed to adapt and move into this world of electronic writing and technology where many of the other form-based styles of writing kind of died out. So it's really interesting that the memo survived when other things didn't. So, fun little trivia for you there. This memo serves a specific purpose of telling us what topic you want to work on in your recommendation report and kind of giving you a head start at it. So you're going to think about what kind of recommendation report you want: feasibility, career feasibility, or comparative report. In the modules tab for the recommendation report, there's samples of each one of these styles. So check that out if you're unsure of what kind you want to work with. And then we're going to be looking at your topic itself. And so if we go into the modules tab for our proposal, here we go, proposal for the recommendation report memo style guide. We have a really excellent video. Please check it out. It will walk you through this assignment step by step. And like I said, the memo is very format heavy. And so do make sure that you watch this before you attempt the assignment, just because it does have all of those format requirements nicely laid out for you. And I walk you through how to create that document. So it's going to be really, really beneficial to watch this video. And then we've got, if you're stuck on ideas, here's a document to help you kind of brainstorm if you want. Here's a sample feasibility report, particularly a career feasibility report. So all of that will kind of help you see how this assignment in the long run is going to look. And then because it is a memo that includes an annotated bibliography, you're going to want to watch this annotated bibliography and research recorded lecture. Because the annotated bibliography is basically like a research journal of what sort of sources you think will back you up really well in your recommendation report. You have to include an APA formatted citation and then a paragraph of summary, analysis, and application to your recommendation report. You need 3 of those in your memo. So do make sure that you are looking through this carefully, that you do watch this video, because once again, just like the memo is very format heavy, annotated bibliographies are very format driven. So please make sure, please watch this video. It will help you out so much. And then we've got the template here, memo instructions here. Here's a whole thing on memos and annotated bibliographies. We've got a ton of resources to help you out. So please be taking advantage of these as you're going through your assignments this week. because not only are you turning in that memo, you are going to do a little bit of peer review, and that's going to be on Friday through a discussion board, because this is a big document. I want to make sure we get another set of eyes on it before you turn it into me. So we're going to do peer review because that gives you a better shot at a good grade. Hooray! So make sure you have your memo done by Friday so that you can upload it in the discussions, get some good feedback, make some changes, and then give me the beautiful final draft on Sunday before midnight. So that's what we're working on this week. The modules tab has tons of great resources for you, and that peer review I think will be really helpful as you head into this assignment. So check out those videos, engage in that discussion board, and you should be good to go. And just as a reminder, those modules, it's under the proposal for recommendation report memo style guide. So check that out. Honestly, the very best thing you could do for yourself to save you lots of time and energy and heartache. Watch the recommendation report recorded lecture and watch the annotated bibliography and research recorded lecture. Those will give you so much good information to get you off on the right footing. Hopefully you guys have a great week. As always, reach out if you have any questions. Enjoy this little bit of sunshine we're starting off the week with, and I'm excited to see what you guys create.